Hello, I am Sarvashish Kumar Pal. Today I am teaching about permutation. What is called permutation? If all arrangements are different and that can be made by taking some or whole things is called the permutation. It means each of the different arrangement which can be made by taking some or all of a number of things called permutation. Now, ABC be three different number, and what will be the permutation? AB, BC, CA, BA, CB, AC means we get 6 arrangement. So, if we take 2 at a time from ABC, if we take 2 at a time, then we get permutation 6. But if we get 2 at a time, combination will be 3. Here combination AB, BC, CA. As because AB and BA is the same group, BC and CB is the same group, CA and ACB the same group. Hence, the combination is 3 but permutation is 6. Now, if we are doing M way and N way, then we are doing at a whole by Mn way. Now I define this matter. Suppose there are m roads and there are n roads. If you come here, you have n roads. If you come here, you have n roads. If you come here, here are n roads. So if we come here at M way, each way you have n roads. So you can go from here to there is equal to m into n, or it means mn ways. Now, number of permutation of n dissimilar things are at a time. Number of permutation of n dissimilar things are at a time. It means there are n things, all are different. Okay. Suppose there are r whole. So you can put any ball to the hole, and here is n different balls. So you can put first hole by n ways. After putting here a one ball, then you can fill this hole n into one way. In this way, you can fill a third hole n minus 2 way. So, definitely the rth hole you can fill by n minus r minus 1, that is n minus r plus 1. So, npr equal to factorial n by factorial n minus r. Now, what is the value of factorial 0? Npn means factorial n by factorial n minus n. So factorial n by factorial 0, factorial n by factorial 0 is equal to factorial n. From this you get factorial 0 equal to 1, cutting this. Okay. Now, if out of n things p are exactly alike, if one kind alike of one kind, q exactly alike of second kind, and r exactly alike of third kind, then what will be the permutation? It means this is n balls in which p are alike, q are alike, and r alike. Then what will be the permutation? So taking p of ball, p balls of which are alike, taking this and throw it in the wind, and taking another dissimilar ball here. So let us suppose at first here permutation is x. After taking p alike balls and throw it in the wind and taking p dissimilar things, then the permutation will be x into factorial p. In this way, after taking q alike balls and throwing it in the wind and taking q dissimilar ball, then the permutation will be into factorial q. After taking r alike ball and throwing it in the wind and taking r dissimilar ball, then permutation will be factorial. Then permutation will be the multiplying in the factorial r, and now whole r n balls are different. So taking n at a time n, the permutation will be factorial n. So x equal to factorial n by factorial p, factorial q, factorial r. Now number of permutation of n dissimilar things are at a time, but repetition will be allowed. Repetition will be allowed means you can take one things in time. It means let us suppose there are n different things. You can put the first hole n ways. You can put the second hole also n ways. You can put third hole also n way. So you can put here r whole n to the power r. That is the formula of taking r different things in which repetition will be allowed. Okay. Now I will do one math of permutation, very important mathematics. How many different numbers without repetition of digits can be formed the digit 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 when taken at a time, and what is the sum? It means there are 5 numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Then what will be the number of permutation forming these 5 numbers, and what will be the sum? That is the question. Again I am telling, let us suppose there are 5 numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now what will be the permutation of these 5 number making 5 digits, and what will be the sum of this 5 digit. So putting 9 in unit place, here 4 number will be arranged in factorial 4 ways. Factorial 4 ways means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 means 24 way. So we get here 9 24 times. Similarly, if we put 5 in unit place, we can put another 4 numbers 24 ways. So we get in unit place 5 24 way, 1 24 way, 5 24 way and 7 24 way. Total number we get 24 into 5, that is 120. Now arrangement we will get, but here 9 is 24 way, 5 is 24 way, 1 is 24 way, 5 is 24 way and 7 is 24 way. In this way, here also 9 is 24 way, 5 is 24 way, and 1 is 24 way, 3 is 24 way, that is 3. That is 3. 3 is way and 7 is 24 way. Then what will be the arrangement in unit place? 24 into 9 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1, that is 24 and that is 25. Hence in unit place all the number, summation of the number is 600. In 10 place summation of the number is 600. In 1000 place the summation of number is 600, and 10,000 place number of sum of the number is 600. So what will be the number? 600, 1000 place, so we multiply 10,000 place, so here 10,000, and 1000 place here 1000, and 100 place here 100, 10 place here 10, 1 place, that is 1. So 600 into 1 1 1 1 1, so 6 6 6 6 6 0 0 will be the answer of the sum. Thank you.